Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, we are going to make this family-friendly and delicious keto lasagna. Hey guys, I'm Jennifer Vans, and on my channel we cook family-friendly keto dinners. You don't need to make more than one dinner for your family. My kids love these recipes, and today I'm going to make my keto lasagna. My whole family loves it. And at the end of this recipe, I'll show you what I serve it with, so stay tuned for that. First, we're going to start with some avocado oil, and I like to use avocado oil because it is a high heat cooking oil. So I've got ground beef and Italian sausage. Ooh, that's what you want to hear. And we're going to cook and crumble this Italian sausage and ground beef until it's completely brown. So I'm going to add in some onion, and I like to use frozen, already diced onion. It's a super easy time saver for quick dinners in the evenings when you're busy. So we're going to keep cooking this. I'm going to season with some salt and pepper. Okay, our ground beef and sausage is all cooked, and now we're going to add in some marinara sauce. I like to use Rao's marinara because it is only 5 net carbs per half cup. And this is a 24-ounce jar. I'm going to stir this in, and our meat layer will be all ready. Just like that. So we're going to set this aside. Okay, we set aside our meat mixture, and now we're going to make the cheese layer. This is ricotta cheese. It's a 15-ounce container of cottage cheese and 2 eggs that I've already put into this bowl. So now we're going to add in a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, or grated, whatever you want to call it. And I've got some minced garlic that we're going to add in, and some Italian seasoning, dried Italian seasoning. So now we're going to mix this all up. Okay, we have our layers ready. We've got our meat mixture, our cheese mixture, and then we've got the cheese to go on top. So we're going to layer this up. I'm going to do a layer of meat, and we're going to put half of this meat in the bottom of the casserole dish. And now we're going to put all of this layer, all of this mixture on top of the meat. My kids are gonna love dinner tonight. Okay, now we're gonna add the rest of the meat mixture. Okay, this is looking amazing. So now we're gonna add in, or add on, mozzarella cheese, 2 cups to be exact. And then we're gonna sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese. Okay, this is ready for the oven. We have preheated our oven to 375 degrees, and it's going to cook for about 30 minutes or so because we don't have any noodles in there. It's going to be a little bit quicker. Okay, our lasagna is out of the oven, and let me show you how delicious it is. I'm going to cut a piece. And so what would I serve this with? I would serve it with my garlic bread. You can see that recipe right there. It's super easy, keto garlic bread. But look at that. That looks amazing. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.